Hi everyone, welcome to our final video of the year and of the Project 365 series. Today the video is about Power BI and Drill Through functionality. Drill Through is a very nice functionality to make easy the navigation of our reports. For example, if I have a report with multiple pages here and I want to get a drill down to some information. For example, here I have the portfolio of some projects. Here I have informations about costs. Here I have some informations about work, right? But I want to filter this information using my portfolio's information. For example, if I want to see my cost informations about new BPM tools, I can just click right button, select the Drill Through functionality and click cost. And all the informations about cost will be filtered by the project information. And if I want to go back, I just click here in this arrow. So, how can we configure this information? It's easy. You just need to use this options here, add drill through fields here, select the project name here, right, go to the pages and insert the same informations about drill through in all pages. You see, very easy. And now it's working. You just need to select the project name column and select the product and go to, for example, works page, and he will move to the project informations about work. Okay, thank you everybody for these amazing videos and happy new year.